Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking your audio experience to the next level with the power of Dolby Atmos, but not just any Dolby Atmos. We're unlocking the magic of the OnePlus 8 Visible on any rooted Android phone. Now, before we dive in, let's make sure your phone is ready for this Dolby Atmos upgrade. You'll need a couple of things. Your phone's processor needs to be rocking the ARM6 for V8A architecture. You'll also need to be running Android 9 or higher. Most importantly, your phone needs to be rooted. If your ROM is read-only and you need to use Magisk Delta, Kitsune Mask, you might encounter a boot loop, soft brick, or service failure. Now to download the module, head over to the video description and download the Magisk module. If you're already using another audio mod module, grab the AML Magisk module. Open the Magisk app, navigate to the Modules section, and flash the downloaded Dolby Atmos module. If you prefer using a custom recovery like TWRP, you can flash the module directly through it. If you are using kernel SU, then head over to the app settings and disable the Unmount modules by default option. After installing the module with your chosen method, do a simple reboot of your phone. Once it's back up, fire up your favorite music or movie and prepare to be blown away by the enhanced audio experience of Dolby Atmos. Alright, there you have it. You've just transformed your rooted Android phone into a Dolby Atmos powerhouse. Whether you're gaming, watching movies, or listening to music, the difference will be night and day. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, feel free to drop a comment below. We'll do our best to help you out. And as always, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and happy listening.